welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all my subby for your support. If you're new here, welcome. I'm really excited to share with you this item. This item I saw it when at the boutique when I visited, but I didn't get it because they don't have the color that I want. And last week when I browsing on the DIOR website, and I saw this one and I love it, so I placed an order. They have a dry like 3 days later they arrived at my house, but I didn't have time to do it, to make this video. So today I try to have some time to sit down and video it, this item video, and share with you this item. Further ado, let's start it. I'm really excited. This is the box when I got it, and I already remove my personal information, so that you see this open, but inside it has your envelope that the receipt when you got it, and they have the place to put the receipt in here. It's very nice, and the package you can see is pretty. And we check the paper. The packing is nice. Let's put aside, and I see here like this. And you can see they wrapping so pretty. They always have the star charm, the lucky star charm. I love it. You know, sometimes I open the package, it's pretty like this. I just, you know, I don't want to open it. It's so pretty, but I have to open it because I want to see the item inside. Yep, this is in gold. Lucky charm in gold. On the back have a DIOR engraved. Oh, sorry, engraved. Okay, and this is the information on the DIOR website, and this is the receipt. They come with the return packet, and I never returned it, so I don't worry about that one. They have an instruction, a return policy. And this is the receipt. Yep. Let's put that aside, and let's open this one. This is a white box. It's really pretty one. And usually I don't want to rip the tissue. It's so pretty, so I can do something with it later. And this all the paper, and here we go. This is the item. They come with the dust bag, white dust bag with DIOR. The dust bag is really soft and nice. It's a little bit thicker than Louis Vuitton, but the same cotton. But and here we go. This is the DIOR card holder, the Lady DIOR card holder, the 5 card holder, 5, not 4. And let me open it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. This in incandescent silver metallic, in the what do they call it? Lady DIOR 5-star card holder. They didn't say, but the color is, where is the text, the information? maybe in here. Let's see if they have the name of the color that they call it indecent. They have a 7 DIOR. I believe they're superstitious on this, and they use the number 7. They don't have the code. Maybe in here. Nope, they don't. Yeah, they don't say that, but it's in the silver, metallic silver, and it's so pretty. Let me open this one. The pouch to cover the charm is in the silver. This in silver platinum hardware, not gold. Let me remove this one so I can remove the tag. Inside of the middle compartment, middle card slot, and they have the lady. They have the stamp. If you can see, they stamp the number, the number in there, and say Christian you're in there. I hope the light can pick it up, as you can see it inside of the middle credit card slot. And I will show you the measurement. The measurement for this card is 4 centimeter. Is 4 inch, 4 inch and 10 centimeter. Sorry. And the height is 3 inch and 7.5 centimeter. It's very slim, and it has total 5 credit card slots, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and 1 in the middle. It's in the limeskin with the canage both sides. And let me show you how many cards you can fit in this card. I have, let's put 1 on each slot first to see how it fit. I put 1 on each. The card is the credit card slot kind of a little bit tight because it's new. So I believe it when you use it for a couple of days or for a while, the letter will straight out and it will be better. And it's kind of a little tight, but it's okay. It still can easy to take in and out. You can double it, but it's very tight if you double it. I have the one before. I can show you, and this is how I keep. If I don't use it, I keep everything in the dust bag. The charm I have this in gold, because this is in champagne gold hardware. As you can see the difference. Oops. This is the silver. Oh, let me put in here so you can easy to see. One in silver and 1 in gold, and like champagne gold hardware. You know, DIOR champagne gold hardware is really pretty. And this one I got is the Valentine last year. So when I don't use it, I always wrap with tissue, because tissue is really absorb all the we keep the letter is in good shape. This is the one I have before in metallic gold. That's the one I mentioned before. Last February in during the Valentine, DIOR have like the limited edition same 5 card like this, but in the shape of the heart like this, but in red. It's really pretty, but it's already sold out. when I try to place an order, but it's already sold out. And the charm have a keepy like this, but in yeah, they say I love this one. And this one, I can show you the size of the card holder is the same size. You know, see the height and the length is the same. It's about the same. But this card holder in the front, there are no credit card slot. In the back, you have 2 credit card slot. I don't know what I did with it, but I think because the charm or something, I accidentally scratched on it. I use this like every day for like almost like a year, and I will have the full review on this card for you. And like this one only have 2 in the back and 1 in the middle. It's only 3 credit card slot. This one have 5 credit card slot, and the same. The price I got this one is retail for, oh, they didn't put the price yet, and I believe is, I forgot how much is it. I will put on the description box the price for both, so you can see, and you can have all the information on the description box. And both in lambskin and both in metallic, but one in gold and one in silver. I love it. I love it so much. But yeah, is the one with the 5 credit card slot a little bit like thicker because when you put 5 card, it's kind of a little bit bulky than the one with 3 card. I love this one because I don't have a lot of card, so this one really thin. So I want to get another one in 3 credit card slot in this one, but in some neutral color, and but not now, and maybe in a couple months. And this is the one in silver. So you can see in the front, this one doesn't have any credit card slot. This one have 2. In the back, this one still have Connage lambskin, but this one not. This one just plain pattern, and you can see the difference. Yep. And both have the charm. The charm come with it. How you think about it? I really love it. I love the color. I love the silver metallic. I love this one. And as you know, now, when I ordered this one, this not the first DIOR item I have. The first item DIOR I have is the compact wallet. I fall in love with that wallet, and I start like, I think I go like more DIOR than before. Before I never have any DIOR collection in my any DIOR item in my collection, but since I start to get the more in DIOR, and I think I fall in love more with the DIOR brand, and I think I will start to collect some more items of DIOR to add into my collection. And the item in my wish list, it will be the mini Lady Dior and the wallet on chain, because I have an eye on it, and I wait until this summer they come out the pretty color, so I will get it. And that's it. How you think about it? Do you like it? If you have any questions, just leave in the comment below. I will try to answer all of your questions my best as I can. And again, thank you so much for your support. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so YouTube can notify you when I have a new video upload, so you won't miss any my new video. I try to have every new video every week, but I try. I cannot promise, but I try, because you know, with the kid and work full time is really busy. And again, thank you, and I hope I wish you all have a wonderful summer and the holiday coming. If I don't see you, and happy Easter. I hope I will have another video before Easter, but if not, then happy Easter to every one of you, and I hope every you and your family have a very wonderful happy Easter, and God bless, and see you in next video.